This store is so dumb, it's genius.
Today we're roasting Archie McPhee.
The first time we came across this store, and some of you might already know that, but the first time we came across that is because we found this product. Let me show you. Emergency underpants dispenser.
Emergency underpants dispenser.
Yeah, I was like, this is so dumb. And it's genius because it's a novelty gift, but I'm like, who would buy this? Why would I need an emergency underpants dispenser? And if I need an emergency underpants, why would I need a dispenser and not my drawer, you know?
I don't know, it's very strange. But we came across this website and it says we make weird. And it turns out they have lots of weird products.
And it turns out that they've been on the market since the 1970s, believe it or not. So first they started as a quirky mail order store in California.
Selling rubber chickens and among other things.
Amongst other things like crazy stuff. And then they moved into Seattle in 1983 and actually opened a store. And that physical store in there is now the home of the largest world museum of the rubber chicken.
The world's largest rubber chicken museum.
So
it's nuts.
It's nuts. Let me guys show you this. And let us know, comment below if you've been this or if you've heard of this, because I was like, what? Like,
I haven't been to Seattle yet. So I don't
the
think
world's famous rubber chicken museum. Like, this is just insane. But it's so dumb, it's genius. Because it's such a pop culture cult, really, that this store created.
It's become
the owner.
It's an institution. It's in the list of things to do and see in Seattle, which blows my mind. We haven't been yet. I haven't been to Seattle. Have you been?
I haven't been yet.
So when we go next time.
But I first time came across the rubber chicken when I was at a university in Canberra, and my dear friend Danielle, who is from LA, his mom flew all the way to Australia. And she brought him a freaking rubber chicken! And we were like, what is this rubber chicken?
What's the purpose of it?
And what's the purpose? And it does the weird sound. And I thought maybe it was a dog toy and she made a mistake and she just liked this dog toy and she brought it in. But anyway, that rubber chicken became institution. We traveled all around Australia taking pictures with the rubber chicken. And now there is a freaking museum.
Wow.
And there is a brilliant business with it. So let's roast this.
So let's talk about actual business and the store here and the numbers and the metrics here.
Exactly.
In addition to having these weird, wonderful products,
yes,
which there must be demand for. They've been in business since the 70s and 80s. So
and first when we saw this, we were like, first question, Kristen's question, I have to tell you guys, was like, okay, Silvia, but let's have a look at the stats. Like, are these guys even making money?
And do they have traffic?
And do they have, Kristen was like, do they have traffic? Oh boy, they have traffic. But
before
we show you the traffic stats, I just want to show you guys, like, this is really cool. So they're all different categories. So this is a category of just masks. I didn't know people buy weird masks, like a pancake mask and a pizza mask and a ham mask and a breakfast god mask, like horse head mask. I'm like, BoJack Horseman would be like loving it right now. Rainbow unicorn, like incredible.
Okay, great.
Then next one is, this is the fun one. So capybara in a peanut. Okay.
I don't know what these things are, but
I don't know either. Opera corn. Freaking opera corn.
It's called Figaro.
So it's a corn on the cob that sings Figaro. Like, what? Next one. This is like candy. Okay, astrology candy. New Age bookshop flavor. What is a New Age bookshop flavor? Like Harry Potter, let's go. I love it. Bigfoot cans, jalapeno candy cans. All of this weird stuff. Ketchup candy. Sour cream and onion, like
the astronaut ice cream. I've had that. Someone purchased that for me as a gift when I was younger, and we went on a trip to the US and they brought that back. I think they went to Florida to the Kennedy Space Center and they brought it back. They had it in the shop and they brought it back to Australia.
But was it actually ice cream?
Well, it's like freeze dried. It's like what the astronauts eat.
Oh, okay.
So I've tasted
it. Hilarious. Okay, next category for the home. Why would I want furry bone sock monkey for the home?
I don't know.
Wine stopper. Okay, that is hilarious. Furry bones buzz bumblebee. Anyway, so
They've got all these wacky products.
This got all these crazy products. Now, guys, have a look at their Facebook page. 22,000 likes.
52,000.
52,000 likes and followers. Okay, this was the rubber chicken museum. I was like, oh my god. And the reason why this is so dumb, but it's genius, it's because all of this is shareable content. Guys, do you know the first thing I did was I took this URL and I shared it in the WhatsApp group that we still have from the university, and I was like, guys, the rubber chicken, there is a museum. Oh my god, have you been? And people were like, oh my god, this is crazy. And you know, one of those guys is like, yeah, I've been and it's amazing. And so this is why it's so brilliant, because dumb ideas, dumb genius ideas are so freaking shareable. Okay, so anything that's so shareable.
It cuts through the noise. It's crazy content, isn't
it?
Like it's shareable, crazy content.
It's crazy. Okay, so now ads. Guys, they don't run any Facebook ads. We had a look.
No ads.
No ads. And so to answer your question, let's have a look at their traffic stats. So right now we are roasting their domain inside Semrush, right here.
Semrush is an amazing tool. It's one of our favorite tools, but just for full disclosure, we're an affiliate of Semrush. So if you happen to use Semrush with our special link down below, we may earn a small commission from that, but there's no cost to you and we appreciate your support. But with that, Semrush is an amazing tool to do some research and find out what kind of traffic.
Yeah, this is our honest opinion.
This is our honest opinion.
Because that was our first thing. How can we check how much traffic this business is getting? And by the way, whenever you are looking at your competitors or somebody who could be your competitors, like sometimes you see a website, it looks all fancy, but it has no traffic, no sales. So don't get just fooled by just like pretty pictures.
So just at a headline here, 48,000 organic visits a month from
organic, guys.
Organic search traffic. That's people searching on Google.
It's nuts.
Let's round it up and say it's 50,000 visitors a month.
50,000 from the US alone.
And I just want to say, like, they've got 75,000 backlinks, meaning that there's 75,000 links from other websites that go to this website. So it's like a credible, established, you can see like it's credible because of the authority score. It's a credible website that has a lot of traffic coming through. It's incredible.
It's incredible. And look at this graph here. The graph has been growing, and paid traffic, nothing. Organic traffic, boom. All of this is organic.
So this whole business is happening from organic traffic.
And let's have a look at what those keywords are that people are searching for, because that like blew my mind. That blew my mind. So let's have a look at the top organic keywords. And you can see like this, what you see here is the average position for this keyword. So Archie McPhee, okay, that makes sense because, you know, that's the brand. But guys, horse mask? People are looking for horse mask?
And you can see people here, people see horse mask. It's a transactional search, meaning like people want to buy it when they type it in. And they're showing up their position number 1 on Google. And there's 5,000 searches a month. And when people click the link that goes to their store, boom, it goes straight to their horse head mask page. Let's just see this page, by the way. It takes them here and boom, they can add to cart,
shake the room,
and buy. So with that kind of volume, like let's say the average conversion rate's e-commerce 1%, like that's...
Or this one probably more.
Maybe it's more, because
like
it's a transactional search term. That you can calculate the money right there.
Yeah, the money is
It's a money
huge.
keyword.
It's a money keyword.
Yeah.
Now, next one. Okay, this one is a little bit more what we call like side door or back door, because it's like get gifts, but they still, you know, you need to have multiple products to go through.
You can see it takes them to the collection page of the funny gifts collection page.
Yeah, or novelty store takes them to the homepage. But this one, look at this.
Feet
finger.
To a specific product.
What? Feet finger? What the is that?
You gotta click.
Sorry.
You gotta click the little arrow thing.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I was going on the research. Yeah. Feet finger.
Finger feet for your hands.
Okay, finger feet. Oh my god! Like people search for this. Okay, next one.
But not just people. It's 5,400 searches a month.
Yeah, it's crazy. Horse head mask. Another brilliant one.
Novelty store near me. Like, look at these rankings.
Inflatable turkey.
Look at these rankings though. This is what's blowing my mind. Like you can see here the search volume, and here you can see the positions. Position 1, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 1. Like, that's a lot of traffic. Well, I mean, that's 50,000
crazy
a month, right?
Like, it's nuts. Rubber chicken. 8,000 people look for rubber chicken per month in the USA alone.
It's nuts.
It's nuts. Feet finger again. So, so horse mask, feet finger, and rubber chicken. Guys, those three those are the money things.
I think what they're doing brilliantly here, though, is that this traffic is being driven to a product page or a collection page.
Yes.
A big mistake that many stores make is they optimize blogs and the homepage to grab the traffic, but that's not what people can buy.
That's true.
You click the link, land on the collection or product page,
yes,
add the cart, boom, done.
That's true. That's true.
Brilliant.
And I also want to have a look. Candy canes. Okay, pickle candy canes. Boom, boom, shake the room. Let's go. Yeah, so I love it. And then we had a look and we were like on YouTube. Whoops, this is a different YouTube video. Here on YouTube, Rubber Chicken Museum. Look at this. People are actually making reviews about the Rubber Chicken Museum. 38,000 views, 23,000 views, 43,000 views. Look at these shorts. 22,000 views, 26,000 views. Like, this is a cult craze. This is like, this is a pop culture phenomenon.
So I think what's amazing is that many stores do create a lot of buzz offline, but they struggle then to convert that into online.
Yes.
But it seems that they've been able to make that bridge from converting that cult following, the foot traffic into online traffic.
100%. Archie McPhee, so dumb, it's genius.
I love it.